Hi guys. Hey, I made a mistake of going to Ollie's today, and I walked in, and there were four kits. Well, the Coca-Cola one I haven't got yet. It's been there for quite a while, but I finally decided to get. Excuse me, just because I'm kind of getting into all these Coca-Cola kits, kind of neat. But plus it's a Dodge, so you know, got to get that. But I walked in and I seen first off that, and I knew that's a fairly new kit. It hasn't been out all that long. Basically, it's a rebranded police car as a taxi. But then I saw this, and I was like, "You got to be kidding me!" So got that. Uh, Absolutely cool as hell. Getting in all these old drag cars. Um, Excuse me, damn, I'm yawning like crazy today. And then this thing, I could not believe. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. That is so cool. Uh, Funny car Chevy 2, 427, fuel injected drag car. Very, very cool. So, definitely got that. And then, as soon as I seen this, I knew I was getting it because our very first race car, full-size race car, we raced out in Tucson, Arizona at Corona Speedway, was a 1970 excuse me, a 1970 LTD, same car basically. So as soon as I seen this, I'd got the police car version before, and I was gonna make it like a race car. Then I decided to build like a police car because I'm giving it to my brother. But I always said if I can find the Galaxy taxi for a decent price, I'm getting it. I'm gonna build the race car version of it off that. So, well, you don't get much better than $12.99, especially when you go next door to Hobby Lobby. Well, I don't know. There's a mall in between, but where Ollie's and that is, but it's $30, so 15, basically $15 savings. Like, what the hell? Why not? So, like I said, taxi stuff I ain't gonna reuse, but it is going to have an all orange paint job and number 23 on it. Like our old race car. So that'd be pretty neat. But yeah, anyway, like I said, hell of a unexpected haul at Ollie's. But when I seen these old drag cars, I knew they wouldn't last long. And luckily I had the money, so I said to hell with it and got them. But yeah, it's a pretty awesome day at Ollie's. So if you guys have an Ollie's around you, you know what I'm talking about. Because, when you go to the hobby shop or you go to Hobby Lobby and you're paying full price, even right now they got 40% off at Hobby Lobby. Well, so what? I mean, it's still not knocking them down enough that you can compete with what Ollie's has got. And like I said, these are fairly new kits. I mean, at least this one is. So, you see them on other online hobby shops and that they're still selling them. So it's not like they're, you know, forgotten model kits. But anyway, all right, guys, I just wanted to show you my stash ad here. I've got some other ones I haven't done a video on yet that I got before these, but just haven't done a video on them yet. I've Been way behind on everything. My model building, group builds, I've totally failed at. Everything has just been on hold for the last several months. Um, with the addition of the kittens, every time I'd sit down and start to do something, and they'd get into something or whatever. So they are actually taking a nap right now, and 3 of them are going to be leaving within the next week, and then I'm only keeping one. I'm keeping a little female, and mama. But yeah, so I'll be able to get more stuff done and caught up, and because there's a lot on my plate. So, okay, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.